Good day, Land Rover fans. This is Jason Stahl with Rad Rovers. We just want to present to you our latest build, Rescue. This is a 109 Series 2A 5-door station wagon, and we just finished this frame-off restoration yesterday, and it is a brand new chassis, brand new firewall. All 5 doors have been replaced. Just about everything is brand new. I would say roughly about 70% of this car is actually brand new. It was about a 2-year rebuild for us, and we hope you enjoy it, so we're going to show it to you. So this is Rescue. Every piece of orange and black here is all media blasted with black beauty and then powder coated. All of that is powder coat, not paint. So very strong stuff, very durable, very resistant to a lot of nasty environments. I would say it's a lot better than paint in a lot of ways. You don't need to polish it. There's absolutely no maintenance. Don't use any chemicals on it. Nothing necessary. That'll just be good the way it is. So that is all been torn down to absolutely nothing. Like I said, this is a brand new galvanized chassis with a brand new firewall to boot. So this, you see all the galvanized, it is. Everything has been gone over. Absolutely everything has been touched. And it's very smart. This bumper is a Jeep bumper we modified to fit our chassis because we just really like it. 13,000 pound winch on there as well. I like that it has a tow hitch receiver on the front too, and all the LED lights. These are also Jeep LED headlights as well with the halos, LEDs for the markers and blinkers. The only incandescent bulbs are these two here, a separate isolated switch. But this is looking really smart. We like it a lot. So that drop top there, a lot of people ask about how the drop top works. So this panel there, the black, gets the heat of the sun, and then because it's separated from the main roof, the heat gets dispersed, and then your car stays cool. That's called a drop top. All the windows slide. Each panel of glass slides forward and back. This is forward and back. This one's forward and back here. Going inside, we skimmed all of the doors and powder coated, of course, with diamond plate. All the seats have been obviously replaced. These are the deluxe bucket seat style. This is a Land Rover seat. Emergency battery cutoff key switch there. There's our winch remote. We have a multicolored LED remote for the interior. So right around the perimeter of the roof inside here where you can't see tucked away, there's a long LED light strip all the way around the car. So you can set that with any color you wish on the remote. Can't see it very well in the daytime. It's nice and subtle. USB charging station, plus that's the battery voltage. So that's really nice and handy to know. 12-volt dock. This is a LED emergency light switch, so that's just magnetic based. So you can throw that on the roof if you have an emergency, but it fits there very nicely, so I put it there. This control panel up here I think is very smart. I love especially the little labels, so you can have your little toggle switches exactly what you want. Exactly what you want to say. They're all custom labels, and they fit very nicely and look very smart. It's a key switch ignition and a push button start there, and then this key to turn it off. We're going to adjust that timing so it kicks on immediately. Like I said, it's only been a day. And that is your four-wheel drive. So you smash this down, and that's four-wheel drive, and then pull this back, and that's your high and low gear. got there, and a little air horn there. Deafening little air horn. That's your air conditioning. And little vents. Like that. And now that we're here, we might as well go to the engine. There's your engine. Original 4-cylinder Land Rover. Brand new radiator, brand new water pump, brand new distributor, carburetor. All the master cylinders and slave cylinders are brand new. Fuel pump. I mean, challenge me to tell you something that's not been replaced here. How dare ya? So all of these circuits are all isolated and very simple, so anybody can understand them. Of course, we're going to give you a diagram, and that's your emergency cutoff switch there. And all of these are auxiliary things. That is for your main system. This LED light strip there is on your interior lights for the inside of the car, as well as in here. It comes up on the same switch. But all this is brand new. There's your air horn. Everything. The engine's had a top end rebuild, and the transmission's been gone over too. So there's your main master cylinders there. This Zenith carburetor is brilliant. I redesigned the throttle linkages and cables and brackets. This is all my design from scratch. So you have that's as simple as it gets. This is my design that I've come up with. I've got it on 2 cars now, and I love it. It's on my daily driver, and yeah, very happy with that. So that's a 75 watt amp output. 75 watt amp. You know what I mean. Alternator. The windshield wipers work great, 2 speeds, and there's water jets. Going to the back. This is one of my favorites. So the spare tire mount has always been a problem for the Land Rover's back doors. They used to beat them up pretty good. We got this bumper because it's totally isolated. Just like that. Separate pin. So it doesn't damage this door anymore. So we just put the reinforcement plates back in to make it strong. And then that just goes right there. So there's the diamond plate. Sorry for the string, we have to mount the bracket to stop that door from going all the way out. But that's it. A little lockbox for your emergency roadside equipment. There's your sliding glass. We sandwiched the floor here with 2 layers of aluminum plate. This side is diamond plate. Then you have the Land Rover's floor, and then under that as well, we add another layer of aluminum and sandwich everything together with all these nuts and bolts. So it is a very, very strong bed. So no insulation, no paneling, no nonsense. I don't like any of the cloth that they had from the factory, so we like to keep everything open and exposed. There are your air vents. So between that and the black drop top roof on top, all the heat of the interior will get dispersed. So those 3 individual seats there fold forward and up into the other seats and the other row of seats in front of them. So that gives you a much bigger bed if you wish to put lots of equipment in there. I'll show you how that works. So those are your individual seats right there. So you would just fold these forward, pull that switch. It's hard to do with one hand, but you move that, and then this whole thing goes forward up into that row of seats. And they all work very well, I assure you. It's very nice. So then there's that. And the driver's seat. These are sliding tracks on both front seats there on the outsides. And there's a ability to put a lockbox under this one and under this one. That's what those are about. Little hinges so you can lift that plate up and have a drop down lockbox in there if you wish. So this is really a brand new car, guys. This is looking about as sharp as you can get, I think. There's your interior LED white lights. And very nice light all around. I'm big into my lights. I'm big into my Land Rovers. So, yeah. New car. Hope you like it. Please let us know what you think. My phone number is 401-662-9449. And our email address is radrovers@gmail.com. And our website is radrovers.com. And you can also write us from radrovers.com, and it'll get to us that way, so you can see all of our other builds that we have. We have a Defender. We have another one like this that's unrestored that you can get, and we can restore it for you the way you wish, obviously. And yeah, come up some other pretty random ones. We got an ambulance even from 1969. So yeah, we can do it. So if you have one, give us a shout, and we would love to overhaul it for you, and or just do simple jobs on it. You can please send it on over. We'll take care of it for you. So I hope you enjoy this one. It is up for sale. Please write us or call us at any time. Again, 401-662-9449 or radrovers@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a shout. Talk to you later.